outer space? Highly unusual.
Welcome to outer space, class. The only planetarium open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
The 2024 solar eclipse is going to be amazing. This is serious stuff. We're talking almost 90-some% of the sun is going to be covered up by that moon. People are traveling from all over the world. This is going to be one of the most widely viewed eclipses in our lifetime because of the time of day it's going to happen and all the big cities that it's going to affect.
For a solar eclipse to occur, there has to be a situation where the moon is in between the Earth and the sun. And not every single place on the Earth is going to be able to visibly view the eclipse. But this is a specific situation where once in a while we are able to actually see, the moon blocking the sun. It doesn't look the same everywhere due to the fact that the moon is much, much smaller than the sun. Okay, so there has to be a specific angle that is struck between the sun, the earth, and the moon for us to be able to visibly see the eclipse occurring. So we'll be lying within the antumbra of the eclipse, which basically means the shadow. Okay, so we're basically going to be in the shadow of the moon, and that's what we'll be able to see in this time frame between 2 and 4. In terms of safety, it's very, very important that you wear your solar eclipse goggles whenever you're looking up, if you're going to look directly at the eclipse, because we'll be able to see parts of the sun that we aren't necessarily normally able to see. And that bright light that can come from the coronal parts of the eclipse, can damage the rods and cones and within your retina and can impair your sight. So it's very, very important that you practice safe viewing of the eclipse and you wear your solar eclipse goggles and you wore any approved eyewear.